Bohemian Chic Color. Formula 1. Mix 1 part Chi Blondest Blonde plus 1.5 part Chi Color Generator 30 Volume. Formula 2. 1 part Chi Ionic Shine Shades Liquid Color 4V plus 1 part Chi Color Generator 10 Volume. Formula 3. 1 part Chi Ionic Shine Shades Liquid Color Clear plus 1 part Chi Color Generator 10 Volume plus 2 capfuls Chi Ionic Shine Shades Liquid Color Violet Additive. Formula 4. 1 part Chi Chromashine Pearl White plus 2 drops Chi Chromashine Out of the Blue plus 2 drops Grassroots. Sectioning. Section from the highest point of the head until behind the ears. Section a triangle on the crown. Step 1. Weave the hair and place foils using Formula 1 to highlight in the hair. Step 2. Foil from ear to ear and in the triangle section on the crown. Process for 30 minutes at room temperature. Shampoo with Chi Infra Shampoo and condition. Blow dry and move to Step 3. Step 3. Start in the nape area. Section a V shape and color this section with Formula 2. Step 4. Place a foil on top of the color in the nape area to protect the lighter lengths and ends. Color 1 inch at the roots of the rest of the back of the head until the highest point. Step 5. Section 2 triangles 1 inch apart at the other side of the natural parting in the hair. Place the accent color on the right in the fuller area. Step 6. Color the 2 triangle-shaped strands with Formula 4 and place them in a foil. Color 1 inch at the roots in the front section of the hair. Step 7. Color the mid-shaft of the hair with Formula 3. Leave the ends out. While rinsing the color, massage the color on the mid-shaft onto the ends so that it will blend together. Rinse the accent color in the foil at last.